can dive for up to depths of 180 meters. They can Alright, okay, you hear. Okay, I hear you, Pumba, yes, what is it? Yeah. Pumba is upset with me. But why? Yeah, why is he looking at me like that? What did I do?
You forgot the most important thing about him.
The most important. Oh, you're right. I am so sorry, Pumba. I forgot to mention that not only are sea lions very intelligent animals, Pumba over there is also very good looking as well. Pumba, look, he's showing off for all of you. Oh, he's not really shy now. Wow, Pumba. And that's how he shows off his front two flippers. So he can hold 300 kilograms on those front two flippers alone. Now let's give our strong boy a very big round of applause after he shows it off again. Look at that, Pumba. Good job. Now, sea lions are often mistaken for another animal. And I'm talking about the true seal. So true seals have much stronger front flippers, and as a result, they can look quite different on land. Now, Pumba, can you show us how a true seal looks like on land?